Hello everyone, I'm Dion from DionVideoProductions. Today we're going to be taking a look at a mouse with big features for a small price. This is the wireless Bluetooth mouse from Seenda. Big thanks to Seenda for providing this mouse for review. I will leave the purchase links in the description. First, let's start with the unboxing. The mouse comes in at a price of only $16.98 and can be bought off Amazon. When it comes to more expensive products, I expect a more thorough unboxing experience. That said, on more affordable items, I prefer the company spends less on packaging and more on the product. So the simple unboxing experience with this mouse is completely fine. Included is a USB-C cable, receiver, manual, and of course the mouse itself. Let's take a closer look. In addition to its metal silver scroll wheel, the mouse features an all-black plastic design that will nicely complement your computer setup. For its medium size, the design feels good in the hand and contours the palm, providing support on all areas of your hand. In terms of weight, the mouse comes in at 86 grams, which is definitely on the lighter side of the spectrum. Personally, I would have preferred a little more weight in this area. That said, the mouse moves smoothly and works well even without a mousepad on the desk. Additionally, the mouse is very quiet. The clicks of the buttons are dampened to be less loud, and this is particularly useful if you're working with others in the room. The scroll wheel provides subtle tactile clicks when scrolling and is too barely audible. Overall, I like the design. It looks premium, especially for its price, and is comfortable to use. Now, in terms of features and customizability, this is an area where the mouse stood out to me the most by offering more than its competitors in its price range. The top middle button of the mouse lets you instantly customize the DPI. This allows you to control the mouse's sensitivity and tracking speed directly on the mouse. This can be switched between three presets of 1000, 1600, and 2400 DPI. I find this especially useful when switching between apps, for example having a lower tracking speed when using productivity apps and a higher tracking speed for gaming. This is a feature I never really knew I wanted, but having used it over the past weeks, I find it useful to have. Additionally, the two side buttons found on the left side of the mouse act as forward and back buttons in web browsers, allowing you to quickly switch between pages. Unfortunately, however, these buttons are not customizable. I would love to see this feature added through an accompanying app in the future. One of the key selling points of this mouse is its ability to be connected to 3 devices at a time. You can switch between the devices using this button with the indicator light showing which device you're currently connected to. In my experience connecting this to multiple Macs, I found this switching process to be reliable and fast. The mouse can also be connected via the included USB-C receiver that will instantly pair. I like that this receiver can be stored in the mouse so that it doesn't get lost. In terms of battery, it has a built-in battery that charges with the included USB-C cable. This is great to see as this enables you to use any pre-existing USB-C cables you already have. For example, I use my MacBook's charger. Use of the USB-C standard also makes the mouse feel more up to date. The built-in battery takes around 2 to 3 hours to charge and should last around 2 to 3 months. If the mouse is left on after use, which I always do, it will automatically go into a deep sleep mode after 8 minutes of inactivity, which is always good to know. Overall, it is important to consider the price point when assessing this mouse from Seenda. The mouse offers a sleek-looking design, additional function buttons, control, and USB-C charging. This is a lot for a very compelling price, making it easy for me to recommend for anyone looking for an affordable mouse that has some extra built-in features. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.